What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you've been keeping well. We're just going to quickly go over our friend Gala games. Currently we are sitting at 0.0195. We're up 5% on the day. See a market cap 867 million, 24-hour volumes at 90 million. So if we actually, let's look at this chart. In my previous video, I talked about coming back to retest our inverse head and shoulders. That's exactly what we've done. So we can push from here. I was looking at potentially a deeper pullback in a wave 2, because before I had just 3 waves up. But since we did break into wave 1, this could already be a completed 5 waves, and then we're just going to bounce off the minimum target, ABC. The minimum target is the 38.2% fib level, and then continue. Of course, oh, sorry, my cat's going crazy. Of course, you can continue down in the C into the target zone, the normal target zone for a wave 2. But we can push from here. So if that does happen, I can give you a wave 3 target, trend-based extension from the bottom of that wave 1 up to the top. If that's the bottom of wave 2, then your wave 3 will take you all the way up 161.8.05580. If we were to see a straight push from here, we'll have to see how that plays out with BTC. But as I mentioned, we have retested our inverse head and shoulders here on the daily chart. So we're just holding on to that support right now. Let's see if we get a nice bounce, nice push back to the upside, a little bit of a bull flag here. But if we do end up going deeper, just watch for a bounce from this target zone. That's what I'm looking at for Gala. My bull run target, it's around 60 cents with the increase in supply. We are currently in a trade for Ethereum, about to hit our TP1. If you want complete free access to my trading group, all you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time, sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America without a KYC and VPN. Available all over the world. Take 30 seconds, sign up, send me email. That's it. No strings attached. I will send you the link to my private group, which includes my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits, crypto news, almost 3,000 members in the group, yours free with a 30-second sign up to BITUNIX, send me an email. That's it. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.